What's going on, y'all? Breaking news here. We got volcano eruption in Guatemala forces evacuation. The agency said the volcano spewed lava nearly 2,000 feet down slopes, billowing with ash around Acatengo, a 12,346 foot high volcano whose name translates as Volcano of Fire. It said extremely hot gases were also rolling down the sides of the volcano, which are entirely wreathed in ash and smoke. The emergency agency warned that flights through the area could be affected. They definitely will be fucking affected. Shut those planes down, bitch. Anyway, seen it first here at Elvis Reviews YouTube channel.